Hi, it's Molly with NMC Exteriors. We're here today doing a full roof replacement. The client called in regards to a hailstorm. So during the insurance process, you want to make sure that your team member from NMC is included in all the information. So first of all, we're going to come out, take a look at the roof, see if there's damage or not, give you an honest inspection. Based on that, we're going to show you the photos or a video report that we can review with you on what we find on your roof. From there, we'll make a decision if we should involve your insurance company or not. When we move forward with your insurance company, we'll meet your adjuster on site and go through all the necessary items that we find as well. After that, we'll review the paperwork that insurance has provided you. We'll make sure that your replacement cost value puts you back to pre-storm condition. After that, you get turned over to our production department, who then handles everything from the scheduling and ordering of all the materials. If you think your home has been damaged by wind or hail, please go on our website at NMC Exteriors and check out our weather tool. It's going to give you data on the past years as well as the current year if you've had anything that's impacted your home. In most cases, you have about 2 years to claim with your insurance. Please check it out and give us a call. The roof that I'm standing on today was approved by insurance. We're out here currently doing an install and we're putting on OC Duration Estate Gray. Typically, most of our roof installs are completed in one day. This job today started at 7 a.m. and here we are just a few short hours later and it's going to be complete. Today we're using the OC Duration Estate Gray. It has a sure nail technology, a wide nailing zone, and a powerful adhesive and a grip for an exceptional resistance. Based on this, you can always see an Owens Corning Shingle from the street. You can tell that it's beautiful, it's brilliant, and it's bold from the colors. And it's one of my favorite products to install because you can always show its unique colors. Thank you for choosing NMC Exteriors. Most of our business comes from our past clients and referrals. We are proud to be a part of the community, and it is our privilege to serve you. Thanks again.